This is just a sample of the audiobook. To get the complete audiobook, access the link posted in the first comment.
Preface. The Ribbon Creek drownings and the fate of Matthew McKeon have been at the back of my mind since the news of the incident first broke in 1956 while I was a junior in high school. In 1989, my curiosity in this long-dormant subject was whetted by an article by Will Haygood published in the Boston Globe. Haygood interviewed several of the survivors of the Ribbon Creek March, including McKeon, the drill instructor who led his platoon into the treacherous waters. I mulled over the subject for several years after reading that article, thinking that more should be written about Ribbon Creek and Matthew McKeon. In the late 1980s, former Marine Keith Fleming described the institutional response to the Ribbon Creek drownings in The U.S. Marine Corps in Crisis. Other publications have alluded to the affair in one form or another, but to my knowledge, no one has attempted to examine the Ribbon Creek March and the ensuing events comprehensively from an objective perspective. In late 1995, I decided to attempt to discover exactly what had occurred at Ribbon Creek in April 1956 and to tell the whole story. The full account really involves several stories: of a terrible training accident, of the consequent ripple of shock waves that imperiled the very foundation of the Marine Corps, of a brilliant trial lawyer who demanded only justice as his fee, and ultimately of the terribly flawed judgment and yet simple nobility of the man whose final sentence is to live with the memory of the 6 young men he led into waters that took their lives.